Welcome to ExpressIRS Forms, one of the fastest, easiest IRS authorized e-filing programs for 1099s on the market. Tax Form 1099-B is used to report proceeds from broker and barter exchange transactions. Brokers must file or e-file IRS Form 1099-B to report sold or bought stocks, commodities, debt instruments, options, or regulated futures, foreign currency, forward, or securities futures contracts. Take note that the IRS 1099-B form is subject to be slightly different deadlines as other IRS 1099 forms. Their deadlines are as follows. Recipient copies must be mailed out by February 15th, and paper copies must be filed with the IRS by February 28th, or electronic copies must be e-filed with the IRS by March 31st. You can securely e-file your forms with an authorized IRS agent like ExpressIRS Forms. As an IRS authorized e-file provider, we help to easily and quickly e-file your forms directly with the IRS. See for yourself how easy e-filing Form 1099-B can be. Let's get started. To register for ExpressIRS Forms, visit www.expressirsforms.com and click Get Started. After creating your account, select that you'd like to create 1099-B forms from your dashboard. Selecting your payer or employer is the first step. If you already have employer details in your address book, you can autofill the required information by selecting the employer from your records here. Next, adding employee and form details can be processed in two ways, individually or by bulk upload. To add an employee individually, you must first enter their name, social security number, and address. Proceed to the employee page to begin entering each employee's federal details. You can only enter one employee's federal details at a time, so select one employee and click Next to enter your financial data. To input your financial data, enter a basic description of the sale in boxes 1A through 1G, indicate short or long-term gain or loss in box 2, provide IRS and other federal financial data in boxes 3 through 11, provide further information about the sale in boxes 12 through 13, and provide state identifying and financial data in boxes 14 through 16. Following federal details, you'll need to enter each employee's state details. Select the state, enter the employer's state ID number and state taxes withheld, then proceed to the summary of your completed form. To complete each copy of Form 1099-B for each employee, click Add Form for this payer, select 1099-B, and repeat this process until you have entered all employees' federal and state details. Now continue to choose how you wish to file these forms. You can choose between federal e-filing only or package, which includes federal and state e-filing along with postal mail. After your selection, if you chose to e-file 1099-B with the state, ExpressIRS Forms will provide further instructions on the necessary state requirements. Now at this point, you're reaching the end of e-filing Form 1099-B. The final steps before transmitting to the IRS is reviewing your order details and cost of e-filing through ExpressIRS Forms. If everything looks good to you, proceed to enter your credit card details to process this fee with ExpressIRS Forms and continue to pay and transmit your 1099-B form to the IRS. Make sure you review the forms before transmitting. You can visit your dashboard for status updates on your forms at any time after transmitting. Here at ExpressIRS Forms, we're committed to helping you through every step of the e-filing process. If you have any questions about getting started or just e-filing your 1099-B returns, don't hesitate to contact our All-Star customer support team. We're available by phone and live chat Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we offer 24/7 email assistance at support@expressirsforms.com.